Hello, this is Amy from Mila-Maven. Today I will introduce our portable mold repair machine. You can see this is the cabbage with the hum all in one, so we can easily push it and move it very conveniently. You can see this is our system. We can support different country languages: English, Chinese, Turkish, and Russia, Korea. This is our software. You can see we can keep record max to 15 stage parameter required. And here is the power. This is the QCW 150 laser source. This is the power switch. You can max to 33. Here is the swing max to lighting. You can see this is our parameter setting. System time, clear or not. External control, restore the default values. And here is the monitor setting. You can see the monitor setting means control the scanner here. From this mold repair machine, we can move the hung arm and the XYZ scanner and even the welding head. We can move very flexible. First, introduce the scanner head. This is head here have a small button. You can control. You can lose it. Okay. Now after the switch here, and the head will be movable, very flexible. You can change the head direction. And here we also have a screen to adjust the scanner wobble. Here to adjust the frequency. And here welding parameter. Here to adjust the width. This is the welding shape. Okay, and do a long press, it will be closed. After the switch, it will be stable, not movable. Now we here for adjust the support size. You can see the support size become bigger and bigger. And we make it smaller. And this is our camera. These joysticks here control the head up. And here down. We can adjust the head up and down speed. We press one time and up, it will be more faster. If you want slower, we can press one and press down. It will move slower speed. Here control the laser. One is for the pulse support. This is the continuous. Another is pulse support. This one is continuous support. Okay. Now let's have a short introduce our hung arm. This hung arm quality is very durable, and if you want to turn the hung arm, we can loose this. Here have a switch. Loose it, so you can move it. It can rotate, right? So you can move it very soft. Okay. We can tighten it. Okay, now. Here also have a switch. If you lose it, you can move the head very flexibly. Once we tighten it, it can be movable.